My name is Dinesh Kumar, and basically I am from Uttar Pradesh, district Sonbhadra, and I am person with physically disabled. I have polio in my both leg, and I use wheelchair for my mobility. I am independent in my traveling. So, coming to my education background, my education is diploma in computer science and engineering. After that, I have completed graduation and master in English literature. And recently, I have completed MBA in HR in September 2020. So I am just going to share my few of journey actually. So now you got to know about me, like what type of person I am, and my education background and my location also. So I have completed my journey step by step, and today how I am happy in my life. I will share you a brief history. Okay, so till fifth o'clock. Okay, sorry. From LKG to fifth class, I have studied in my village because I belong to rural area. So there is only fifth class school where I have studied. After that, I have gone to another place for class 6, 7, 8. I have completed there. After that, I went to again another place where I have studied for ninth and 10th class. Again, after that, I have gone to another place for 11th and 12th. So, this is how I have completed till 12th. And after leaving my home after 5th class, I was staying in a room. I stayed for few days in my relation, but after few months again I took a room, and just I was staying there, and I was doing all my activities whatever cooking, washing, and all my personal activities, and every day I was going to school actually. So this is what I have done there. After that 9th 10th class, I was staying in hostel where I was getting some support from my roommate, and I was also supporting him. I was teaching him, and he was supporting me in another way where I needed help actually. Again, 11th 12th class, I was staying in hostel. So there I found roommate, and we both were there, and I was also helping him. So after 12th, I have it was my inspiration that I have to complete my BSc mathematics. Okay, I completed just 1 year. Okay, and one side I was also teaching candidate. I was teaching candidate. I was running like a small coaching there to manage myself, and also 1 hour every day I was attending computer class for me. So once this is one year completed, it was in my mind that I wanted to go to engineering line, because many people are doing MSc, BSc, BA, MA, everything. So even I am the first person in my village. After BSc first year, I applied for Polytechnic, and I got qualified, and in my counseling I got very good college, that is Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology for Handicapped, Kanpur, and I have completed there 3 years of diploma in computer science and engineering. So When I was in my final year, there was two interview I have attended, campus interview, but no selection. So again, I was keep trying and trying and trying. Actually, I was never like looking back. No, always I was going ahead. So like again, like wherever is my TPO, training and placement officer from college was sending for interview, I was keep going. So somehow I got connected with one organization called Enable India in Bangalore, that is working for person with disability. And through my college, I went there to get training, for job. After completing 3 months of training, I have completed the 3 month employability training for person with disability. In this training, I learned a lot, like how to work in a team, how to work on computer, MS Word, Excel, how to make a good resume, everything. So this is what I completed, and it was very well performance for me, I can say, during training, and interview was happened there. It itself Enable India, and I got opportunity and become a staff. So I have started my career as a trainer for person with disability, but right now I am working across disability, almost 11 plus 11 to 14 type of disability. I train the people, and I conduct different type of workshop and training, offline, online. I do coordination follow up with different stakeholder, company, NGO, institute, college. So this is what I work with candidate, and I support them for their livelihood. So one question, always when people meet me, always one question they ask me: Dinesh, how do you travel? Dinesh, how do you travel? Actually, yes, this is the great like question. I like that. Yeah. So like how other people travel, same way I also travel. So if I have to go somewhere by bus, I will ask a conductor or that classy, please like hold my wheelchair and put in dicky, and I can climb. I can like go inside bus, and I will sit on the seat actually. Same way, if I am traveling by train, so I ask person with red color shirt, coolie. I ask for help. They will take my wheelchair. They will take me and my bags inside berth, and like that. Again, whenever I have to go get down, I will ask again somebody to help, and they will put down my bags, and I can myself get in and get down also. This is how I travel by train. And by flight, there is already like there is no any challenges. There will be assistant just after reaching airport, there will be assistant. They will assist, they will take me through wheelchair, my bag, they will hold also everything, and they will make me sit inside flight. So again, this is how they will get me down from like aeroplane, and again they will help to come out of airport. Then again I will book cab, wherever I have to go, I go. So I have crossed all the barrier actually. Yes, I have come across the challenges and so many barriers. Most of the like challenge related to traveling. So I keep travel here and there. I keep going here and there. I don't take any family member. I do my personal work my own. If I have to go somewhere to get work done, I go and come back actually. So this is what I find the solution, and I work on that actually. So this wheelchair is solution for me, for what? I have problem in my both leg. I can't walk. But by using the solution, I can move around here and there. I can go here and there. I can do independently all my work. Only the need is I need accessible place. Okay, this is the thing. So I would like to give one message here. Everyone whoever is seeing my video, challenges will be there, problem will be there, but we have to focus on solution. Like for non-disabled people, they are using glass and working on computer. Can we say they are temporary disability? Yes, they have temporary disability, but people are not identifying that because that is not in their mind. Suppose if someone is going somewhere, by the way, someone met with an accident, God bless, it should not happen, but someone met with an accident, something happened by leg or hand, they will also use wheelchair for some days as per doctor suggestion. They will also become a temporary like disability. So if you see, everyone has problem and solution also around us, but most of the time people will not focus on solution, they will focus on problem. Okay, so I would like to say one sentence: whatever happens, that is for good only. जो भी कुछ होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. So always we should focus on solution. There is solution for everything, all the problem. This is how I have overcome all my challenges by finding the solution, and now I am success in my career and living my life very happy. Thank you so much.
Hey! ਨੀਵੀਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਚੀਰ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ, ਪੱਲੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੁਖੜਾ ਲੁਕਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ। ਨੀਵੀਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਚੀਰ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ, ਪੱਲੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੁਖੜਾ ਲੁਕਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ। ਕਰੀ ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪਿਆਰ, ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਰਹੀ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਹੁਣੇ ਹੁਣੇ ਹੋਈ ਮੁਟਿਆਰ, ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਰਹੀ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਹੁਣੇ ਹੁਣੇ ਹੋਈ ਮੁਟਿਆਰ, ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਰਹੀ। Hey!